So, liberty for the brave. If you know what it is, then you know it's kind of a shitty thing. If you don't know what it is, well, I'll tell you. Damn it, it's fucking hot. This is just hot water. It's not coffee, and I keep like drinking it like.
You don't have to drink it.
I know, but I gotta get that illusion. So, liberty for the brave, what it meant for us, and if you know what it is, what you probably think of it as for yourself, it's the concept of you're sitting at work and they're wondering like, what are we doing here? Like, when is someone gonna cut us out to go home? You got that one guy who takes the risk, he takes a chance, he says, screw this shit, I'm going home. And everyone says, don't do that, dude, you're gonna get in trouble. 3 hours later, all of you guys get cut out and that guy never got in trouble. That's what liberty for the brave is. And what we decided to do was kind of take that same concept, but flip it in a more positive way. Using that same risk and that same like, you know, really, I don't give a shit attitude and I'm gonna take what's mine and I'm gonna go out there and do something for myself. We wanted to take that concept, use it in a positive way. And that's mainly what we're gonna be talking about with this channel is whether it be, you know, personal growth, finances, investing. We wanted to take those concepts and apply it into our lives and make videos to kind of help you guys do that same thing and really get out there and take advantage of your life and what you can do. So towards the end of my time in the military, I started taking advantage of a lot of those underutilized benefits. And I started asking around if anyone could give me some more information on it. I got a lot of people saying that they had never done it before, they had never heard about it before. So I went to YouTube, I read some blog articles, and really a lot of it is structured in kind of a shitty way. And I feel like you don't really learn anything. So a lot of these things that I did, I kind of went into blind. And unfortunately, it's kind of a shame because a lot of these programs that the military offers can really set you up for long-term financial wealth and freedom. And so that's kind of what we want to do for this channel, was present this information in a little bit easier way to digest, a easier way to understand, and kind of take the things that we've done in the past and show you guys exactly what we did so you can kind of emulate it or see some social proof that some of these things work. So, and along with that, both me and Ever kind of spent 6 years in the military. To be honest, we didn't like it. It kind of sucked. And I know a lot of you guys probably feel that same exact way. We got out, kind of realized that we did have some good times in the military. And it was kind of like a big turning point for me was because if any of you guys knew me while I was in the military, you knew I'd be the last person saying this type of shit. Whether you're jaded about the military right now, or not, the fact is all of us are gonna be veterans one day. You're gonna go from a community where everyone gets you, everyone understands you, you can make jokes, you can talk about anything, and you know what the fuck I'm talking about.
Fuck communism.
You get into this environment where people just don't really understand you. You gotta filter what you say. You can't really think the same way. You feel like you can't be yourself, and you kind of like remember those funny times in the military and you kind of wish you could go back to them. So we all kind of wanna leave the bullshit of the military behind, yeah. But we wanted to make a community on YouTube where you could watch some of these videos and you could reminisce and remember those funny times that you had in the military with your buddies and feel like you can take advantage of some of these good opportunities that are presented to veterans and leave that shitty stuff from the military behind, but laugh about those good times that you had. By the way, guys, if you're worried about if this channel's gonna like for you or not, like don't worry. We had the intention of giving this to the, you know, the Army, the Navy, yeah, even the Air Force, the Marines, even though you guys might not understand a lot of the stuff we're talking about. And we were not gonna make it for the Coast Guard initially because we didn't think that you guys were actually in the military, but we looked it up and I guess somehow you guys actually are. But all the rest of us know that we know.
So we talked about like what liberty for the brave is and what we want from the channel, how you can apply it into your lives, whether it's like financing, investments, or like personal growth. Put a lot of time and effort into these videos because we wanted people to stay engaged and be able to relate in a way so that you guys retain the information that's put out there. The YouTube space is very competitive and it's very professional. So what we try to do is we observe, we emulate, and then we try to demonstrate that. And we do that in all parts of our lives, whether it's like investments or personal finance. Hopefully our content reflects that so that you guys can go out there and do something. Take advantage of these benefits because that's like the main problem. People know about these benefits, but they're not really understanding the power behind them. We say take advantage because you guys earned that. You earned these benefits. You know, you went through a lot of hard work in the military, whether you realize it or not, you know, like these benefits are there for you and for a reason. Whether you use them towards like stocks, real estate, online retail, your OnlyFans account. We want to put content out there to find that comfort zone that you guys are in financially so that you guys can build that confidence to do bigger and better things. And that's what Liberty for the Brave is.
do, then I really encourage you guys to just kind of like check out more of these videos. Okay, so I'll redo that.
Do you want to say like thanks for watching?
Oh yeah.
So
we appreciate you guys watching to the end, and if you guys feel the same way that we did, and we still do, then I really encourage you guys to watch some more of these videos. If you feel like you don't really know too much about it, you don't have a lot of experience, or you feel like you've done a lot and you've got a lot of experience, we're going to make videos for both those type of people. We're going to be coming out with these videos every single week, getting into more detail about the stuff that we've talked about today. I hope that you guys start implementing it into your lives and definitely make a difference.
So, by the way, for the giveaway of the DJI Osmo Pocket, you'll just have to give us your shipping information, your credit card details, and your social security number. So the winner is...
So if you guys are interested in any of the stuff that we've been talking about, the next video that we're coming out with is the top 5 ways that we personally think are the best ways for veterans to make money. If you're interested in that, go ahead and click somewhere around here. We've never done this before. We don't really know where that's going to be. But yeah, bye.